guys, I'm Kathy from PSB Academy. Today I'm going to talk about e-learning programs which we have launched in July 2021. And we are going to focus on business program because this program can be done fully online. Let's go. Are you looking for affordable Singapore program but study fully online in Malaysia? If yes, then this program is suitable for you. Study in the safety of your home with 100% online courses, and certificate program is open for SPM students, whereas the diploma program is open for STPM students. Enquire today and you'll be able to enjoy these introductory prizes. So I'm going to talk about the program module and assessment. How we run this program is that the certificate in business program is completely online and students can learn and take the assessment anytime, anywhere. The module sequencing will be predetermined to ensure the best learning experience. And our normal program will usually take about 6 months to complete, but you can actually stretch up to a maximum of 9 months to complete the entire program. Diploma in Business Studies, similarly, it is also a completely online program. And students can also take the assessment anytime, anywhere, and module sequencing will also be similar to ensure the best learning experience. Students will have a maximum duration of 12 months instead of 9 months to complete the entire program. What is the unique thing about this program is that, as I mentioned earlier, it is 100% online and it is unsupervised. Do it at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. You can access the study materials. You can view the video lecture, access and have support from our lecturers as well in the form of tutorial support. And every grades or assignment or quizzes that you have done is automatically assessed. For program modules, we will learn certificate in business e-learning. We have about 5 modules in total: academic reading and writing 1, elements of accounting, elements of communication, elements of marketing, elements of economics. And for diploma in business program, will also enable students to take up to 9 modules. All the modules taken will be academic reading and writing 2, finance, leadership and management, global economy, business marketing, responsible business, information and communication, accounting, and also statistics for businesses. As for the assessment structure, it will be applicable to all modules. We have allocated 50% to the topic quizzes, 10% to the midterm assessment, and 40% to the final assessment. So the total weightage for the program will be 100%. And as long as students attempted all the assessment and topic quizzes, they will be able to pass with 50% score. Multiple attempts are allowed for all assessment, and students will be able to go back to the previous assessment to redo before applying to graduate. Now we come to the topic quizzes. Each topic will typically consist of 2 quizzes, 1 in each part, and each quiz will have about 5 to 10 multiple choice questions. Students must achieve a minimum correct answer in order to progress to the next topic quiz. All the topic quizzes have unlimited attempts. If you look at the screen here, these are all the sample questions that you'll be attempting in your topic quizzes. After attempting the topic quizzes, you will move on to the midterm assessment and also the final term assessment. Again, similarly, midterm assessment can be attempted after topic 4 of every module. Assessment will have about 20 to 40 multiple choice questions, and students must achieve about 50% from the midterm score. This will also be in the form of unlimited attempt. Once the midterm assessment is done, you can see the padlock here. The condition will be released for you to move on to the final term assessment. Final term assessment will usually be open at week 4 of every month. It will have about 20 to 40 multiple choice questions. It is compulsory attempt and no minimum correct answers are required to progress. All the assessment, including the final term assessment, will have unlimited attempts. Students are advised to review all topics leading up to the midterm and final term assessment before proceeding to attempt the questions. Completion of the final term assessment indicates the full completion of a module, and student may progress to the next module in the program lineup. If you're curious about the student support services, we are here to guide you. You can email to elearning@psb-academy.edu.sg. Throughout your course, we will have our staff to assist you. You can also access to our student portal via the Blackboard forum. If you encounter any technical issues, you can also download our PSB Connect and submit your inquiries, get your questions answered. We also have tutorial sessions for those who opt for tutorials. In case you're wondering about tutorial session, it will be held at third week of every month via Blackboard Collaborate. If you look at Blackboard, there will be a tab here which says Blackboard Collaborate and Join Session. Simply click on Join Session during the tutorial session, which happens on a Saturday from 12 to 2 p.m. every third week of the month. Students will be able to actively engage the subject matter, providing them with the opportunity to clarify doubts to prepare the final assessment. Tutorial sessions will be recorded so that students may view the recording again. Currently, only one tutorial session is planned for each module concurrently.
Welcome, students.
Welcome back, student.
Welcome back, students. Hi, everyone.
Welcome to accounting. To elements of communication, let's begin with topic 1.
Academic reading and writing 2.
Welcome to topic 2 of communications and information systems.
Let's continue with the next part on motivating and rewarding employees.
It is the second topic in the elements of economics that focuses on demand and supply.
The process of communication.
The marketing environment.
Money has a different value at different time.
Disposable income is basically income minus income tax. It's what is available to you, your income, after you pay your taxes.
Pricing is something very sensitive and something very important.
When you need to decode a message, you need to be able to encode a message.
Now, let's say I have another distribution, and this other distribution, I'm looking at the weight.
How does my product or services can carry more values to my customer or even to the firm that I'm going to work with?
This drop in the value of your fixed assets, we call it depreciation.
This is a very important finance principle.
If we have bad information, it will lead to poor decision.
And as a result, the equilibrium price goes down from P1 to P2.
Of course, you will not want to use all the same words, so the words can be your own.
This forms the basis. Justice is an ideal of liberty.
This is the end of this video. See you again in the next video.
We've come to the end of topic 6 part 2, and I hope to see you at the next topic.
We have come to the end of this video.
Please remember to complete your, not just the quiz for part 2, but also your final assessment. Thank you, everyone.
So remember to attempt the quizzes, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you for watching.
So earlier you have watched the video preview. That is the video lectures that you'll be seeing. From our Blackboard, for Certificate in Business Studies, this is the sample preview that you will see. Overall course content will be shown here, and there will be instruction for you to read this before starting the program. And once you have clicked into each of the modules, you will be able to see the topics available, which also includes the video lecture, the lecture notes, and quizzes. When we come to the midterm assessment, you will be able to see the questions for the assessment on your screen. There will be a due date and also the grade category, as well as the grading and the attempts allowed. So usually, as you can see here, unlimited attempts are allowed for all the assessment modes. Similarly, for DBS, this is the course preview. You can see all the modules, all the course content. You are able to access the topics, video lecture, lecture notes, as well as the quizzes. Same thing for midterm assessment as well. There will be due date, grade category, grading, and unlimited attempts allowed. What is the criteria to complete the program successfully? If you look at the topic quizzes, it will usually have 2 quizzes in each of the topic, and it constitutes about 25 marks. Midterm and final term assessment will contribute another 25% marks. So if let's say you have managed to complete these topic quizzes and the midterm and final term assessment, you will be able to get a 50% score at the minimum, and you can pass the module. If let's say you would like to keep attempting the questions, keep attending the topic quizzes, midterm or the final term assessment, in order to get a better grade, you can do so. Once you pass all modules in the program, you will be able to graduate. What is the learning strategy? Let me share with you. Learning strategy with optimal effort and result will be shown. Start by reading the welcome page to understand the learning objective of each module. Watch the video lectures. Prior to reading the notes, repeat the viewing after reading the notes. Notes taking and making will help you to remember keywords, and also drawings would help you to recall a concept or theory better. Attempt the topic quizzes more than once to help you to achieve a better grade. Before moving on to subsequent topics, view the previous topic video to get a better contextual understanding. Let's talk about university progression. For certificate in business, the progression pathway, upon completion, graduates may also progress to complete the e-learning diploma in business studies, or alternatively, you can also consider our normal program to study in Singapore. PSB Academic Suite of diploma programs, the options available here will be Diploma in Business Administration, Diploma in Digital Marketing, Diploma in Media Communication, Diploma in Global Supply Chain Management, Diploma in Tourism and Hospitality Management, Diploma in Business Analytics, Diploma in Graphic Design and Media, and finally, Diploma in Accounting and Finance. So as you can see, completion of the certificate in business studies will also enable you to progress to a different major. Let's talk about Diploma in Business Studies. What is the progression pathway upon successful completion? Graduates are able to also progress to our Edinburgh Napier University, ENU. The part-time module is available for students in face-to-face mode. If you are looking to complete your degree program, similarly as your certificate and diploma, which is full online e-learning program, you can do it directly with ENU as well. Another option available for students who are planning to do a full-time face-to-face program in Singapore, you can consider Coventry University Bachelor of Arts with Honours in Business and Finance, which allows you to progress to a Year 2, or Coventry University Bachelor of Arts with Honours in Business and Marketing, also progress to Year 2. The duration for this Coventry University program is only 16 months. Is it possible to progress to other countries apart from Singapore? Of course. There is also collaboration with Malaysian institutions such as Nilai University, Lincoln University, Southern University College, and also University Malaya, UMCCED, which is the private wing in the form of open degree. Students who do not want to progress in Singapore is also able to have the alternative to complete their degree program in Malaysia. This is the sample of Certificate in Business e-learning. This is the sample of Diploma in Business Studies e-learning program. And finally, our bachelor's degree. This is the sample that you will be getting from Edinburgh Napier University, which is the Scotland Uni, and it will be the similar certificate as if you study in Scotland. If you're wondering what is the course fee, let's talk about it. Certificate in Business Studies, the course fee will have Singapore-based students and also international students. The difference between the two is that international students, for the course fee, comes with the tutorial sessions. The usual price for Certificate in Business Studies will be 1,712 Sing dollar, which is payable in one installment. But we do have introductory price, which is only 1,498 Sing dollar, which is payable in one installment. And this is applicable for students who apply and enroll for the period of July to September intake. The cost is based on per pax after GST, and it includes 4 tutorial sessions. The application fee payable is 107 Sing dollar. Diploma in Business Studies, similarly, it will have Singapore-based students and also international students. The usual price that the international students have to pay is 4,280 Sing dollar. And we also have July to September intake. For the introductory price, you will be eligible for a discount, which is payable in the form of 3,852 only. And this cost is also based on per pax and after GST. And for Diploma in Business Studies, it will include 8 tutorial sessions throughout the entire program, and this is inclusive of the course fee. Let's talk about miscellaneous fees. These fees, such as event fee or courier fee to dispatch documents, will be advised. If you are looking for additional tutorial fee, if you think that Diploma in Business Studies 8 tutorial sessions is not enough for you, you can also opt for additional tutorial sessions, of which the fees of $160.50 will apply to the one session of 2 hours. Other exam-related fees will be the cost of digital copy of certifying letter for PSB Academy or cost of requesting the course outline for PSB Academy programs. Each will be about $20.
Let me take you through the application and enrollment procedures. The first step is to make sure you go through the key information presented in this video before you submit the application. Next, prepare the required documents for online submission and pay for the application fee thereafter. You'll receive a letter via email informing you of the outcome. Once accepted, you may enroll through the portal sent by email. To accept the offer, simply sign the e-contract, pay for the program fee within the stipulated deadline, and start your lesson on a Thursday. For payable and other miscellaneous fees, refer to your respective program page. Here are the payment modes available. The paid program fee is protected under the Fee Protection Scheme, or FPS. For more information, visit our website.
With reference to EduTrust recognition, our programs are fully validated by CPE. Who is CPE? CPE is Committee for Private Education, and CPE was appointed by SSG Board in 2016 October to carry out its function and powers relating to private education under the Private Education Act. And our PSB programs are also certified by EduTrust. All the private education institutions which can apply to be certified under EduTrust scheme. It is a quality assurance scheme which distinguishes PEIs consistently maintain a high standard of quality in overall provision of education services and make continual improvements that lead to positive student outcomes. So rest assured that we are certified by EduTrust. Some of the frequently asked questions. Some students who do not meet our standard English requirement are also able to go and sit for Cambridge Lingua Skill, which is also recognized as an English requirement if SPM English results do not meet. For ENU online learning, the certificate will not state any e-learning or online wording. What if student fails the final term assessment? Student can still pass the subject as they would have obtained a 50% in quizzes and midterm before attempting the final assessment. Final assessment accounts for 20 marks of overall module score. Quizzes themselves, which students must get all correct answers with multiple attempts allowed, account for 50 marks of overall module score. In other words, even if a student fails the final term assessment, they will still pass the entire program. That's because they have already obtained a 50 marks in the quizzes and midterm before attempting the final term assessment. What is the course fee for ENU online learning and the duration of study? Kindly refer to the website of napier.ac.uk. Can students request for more than one tutorial session for each module? Definitely. Each module comes with only one tutorial session, 2 hours in duration. However, students can sign up for as many tutorials for as many modules as they want. If you're thinking of how the tutorial lessons are being conducted, it is usually one lecturer to many students. Can students skip the lecture video or fast forward the lecturer video? Yes. However, they must complete the quizzes before moving to the next topic, and the next topic's link will be enabled for them. Finally, if you're wondering, okay, I would like to apply, and after application, what should I do? Do not worry, you will receive an email which have a welcome note in your student contract to start. Simply click on the Blackboard link with your given username and password to access your course. And remember to read your Blackboard user guide in order to familiarize yourself with how to assess the Blackboard materials. And we also have overall schedule, which you can refer to for all the sessions of the tutorial will be listed on the overall schedule to indicate the dates of the tutorial date and also the final assessment. As you can see, every third week of the month will have a tutorial session, and you can refer to this schedule in order to have better learning experience. We recommend that you do one module per month in order to complete within the stipulated time frame. Lastly, don't forget to watch the orientation videos. And also download the PSB Access app on your Android or iOS mobile phone to get more support and many more. Head on to our YouTube link to watch about our PSB Access app and how it works.